Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Dinosaur Toys is probably one of the most exciting and educational gifts you can give to the young paleontologists in your life, sparking their imagination and bringing prehistoric adventures right into their playroom with a roar of excitement and a stampede of fun. Number 5. Dinosaur Projection Night Light. Transform your child's room into a dreamy wonderland with this enchanting dinosaur projector. It brings realistic and charming dinosaur and car patterns to life, creating a truly magical visual experience. Watch as it rotates 360 degrees, offering 16 vibrant color combinations. You can choose a steady color or a dynamic multicolor flash to suit any mood or occasion. Power it up easily with 4 AA batteries or a USB cable. This makes it incredibly convenient for use anywhere, from bedrooms to living rooms and even outdoor settings. Designed with children in mind, it provides soft, uniform, and flicker-free light. This ensures it's safe for little eyes and provides a comforting presence throughout the night. Looking for a unique gift? This dinosaur projector is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, Easter, or any occasion. It's a delightful surprise for boys and girls aged 3 and up. For the clearest and brightest projections, use it in a dark room against a white wall. Remove the clear cover for a warm night light, or use the specific covers for dinosaur and car patterns. What we like. This offers a dreamy and novel visual experience with its dinosaur and car projections. It features 16 color combinations and dual power modes for convenience. If you are looking for a unique night light that doubles as a projector for a child's room, this is a fantastic choice for birthdays or holidays. What people say. The dinosaur toy is well made and durable, with realistic details that make it look like a real dinosaur. It's a great educational toy that teaches kids about different dinosaur species and their habitats. The toy is also interactive, with lights and sounds that bring the dinosaur to life. Number 4. Dinosaur World Road Race Flexible Track Playset. Unleash your imagination and create an epic dinosaur world with this exciting road race track playset. It's perfect for little adventurers. With 216 flexible track pieces, you can twist, turn, and build endless layouts. Create a new adventure every time you play. Get ready for a thrilling race with 2 cool dinosaur cars. These add an extra layer of fun and excitement to your dinosaur world. Setting up and putting away the track is a breeze. Its dynamic pieces can be easily assembled and disassembled for convenient storage. This interactive toy encourages cooperation and helps develop hand-eye coordination and color recognition skills. It's a fun way to learn. Looking for a great birthday or holiday gift? This high-quality, safe, and durable dinosaur train track set is sure to be a hit with boys and girls. What we like. This set provides a massive 216 track pieces for endless customization and a dinosaur world theme. It includes 2 dinosaur cars and is easy to assemble and store. If you want a highly flexible and engaging racetrack set that encourages creativity and cooperation, this is ideal for dinosaur-loving kids. What people say. The dinosaur toy has a realistic design with intricate details, making it look like a real dinosaur. It features an interactive button that activates roaring sounds and flashing lights, adding to the play experience. The toy is made from durable, non-toxic plastic, ensuring safety and longevity for children's play. Number 3. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. Discover over 100 exciting science experiments and activities designed for curious young minds. This kit is packed with fun, hands-on learning opportunities. Dive into amazing projects like growing your own crystals, building an erupting volcano, and exploring a fascinating rock collection. It's a journey through Earth science like no other. With enough activities for everyone, this kit is perfect for sharing with friends and family. Conduct multiple experiments together and enjoy the magic of discovery as a group. Our detailed learning guide makes understanding the science behind each experiment easy and engaging. It helps foster a deep appreciation for Earth sciences. Clear, step-by-step instructions ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. This allows kids to build confidence while focusing on the pure joy of exploration and discovery. We are committed to providing the highest quality educational toys. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to ensure a stellar experience. What we like. This is a comprehensive science kit with over 100 experiments, including crystal growing and volcano building. It comes with a detailed learning guide to explain the science behind each activity. If you're looking for an educational and engaging STEM toy that provides a deep dive into earth sciences, this is perfect for curious young minds. What people say. The Dinosaur toy has a realistic design and detailed features, making it look like a real dinosaur. It's a durable toy that can withstand rough play, perfect for active kids. The toy has multiple articulation points, allowing for dynamic posing and imaginative play scenarios. Number 2. Laradola Take-Apart Dinosaur Toys 3-Pack. Get ready for an exciting adventure with this dinosaur building set. It comes with 85 interchangeable parts, allowing you to build 3 different dinosaurs. Keep your little ones entertained and engaged for hours. Building is made easy and safe with the included low-speed electric drill. It's designed for small hands and operates at a safe speed. Manual screwdrivers are also provided for a more hands-on experience. We've included 6 extra screws with each set, so the building fun never has to stop. The high-strength connectors ensure your creations are stable and durable for endless play. All the parts are interchangeable between the 3 dinosaur models. This means your child can mix and match to create their own unique hybrid dinosaurs, boosting their creativity and logical thinking. This set is safety certified and comes in a gift-ready box. It's a durable and engaging toy that can provide years of fun and learning for children aged 4 to 6. Keep your child happily occupied for over 2 hours with this engaging building activity. It's a fantastic way to encourage focused attention and a sense of accomplishment away from screens. What we like. This set offers a substantial 85 interchangeable parts for building 3 different dinosaur models, keeping kids busy for hours. It includes a safe, low-speed electric drill and manual screwdrivers for a realistic building experience. If you want a toy that promotes fine motor skills, logical thinking, and provides a long-lasting sense of accomplishment through construction, this is an excellent option. What people say. The dinosaur toy is well made and durable, with realistic details that make it look like a real dinosaur. This dinosaur toy is a great educational tool, as it helps children learn about different dinosaur species and their characteristics. The dinosaur toy is also very interactive, with features like moving parts and sound effects that bring the dinosaur to life. Number 1. Dinosaur Racetrack Toy Set. Get ready for an exciting adventure with this dinosaur bridge track set. It creates a thrilling world for kids, keeping them engaged for hours of imaginative racing fun. These flexible track pieces can be twisted and rebuilt into different layouts. Kids can create their own unique dinosaur adventure tracks for endless interactive play. Watch as the battery-powered cars automatically race through bridges, curves, and dinosaur scenes. They provide non-stop action and excitement for your little ones. This set includes dinosaur figures, bridges, palm trees, and road signs to build a realistic Jurassic adventure world. It's full of creativity and exploration. Made with kid-friendly materials and smooth edges, this set ensures safe play. It's an easy-to-assemble gift perfect for birthdays or holidays for boys aged 3 to 7. What we like. This racetrack set features exciting dinosaur bridge adventures and flexible tracks that can be rebuilt into various layouts. The battery-powered toy cars provide interactive moving action for continuous excitement. If you're seeking an engaging and imaginative dinosaur racing playset that offers dynamic play and a realistic Jurassic World scene, this is a great gift for boys aged 4 to 7. What people say. The dinosaur toy is well made and durable, with realistic details and vibrant colors. It's a great size for little hands to hold and play with, and the articulation in the limbs allows for dynamic posing. The toy also features a unique sound effect that adds to the imaginative play experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.